YouTube, man, what's up? It's your boy Quan, man. Well, he's coming a little bit. I've been locked in. My hair is a little crazy, but shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to the YouTube. I've been a lot. I've been busy. I've been away. Track and field started, so as I told you guys before, it's a lot harder now to try to navigate track and field and trading and everything along with it. So I'm gonna try to be, as consistent as possible as I can. But like I said before, it's super tough. It's super tough trying to do it. But yeah, man, y'all, we itching on 600 subs. I believe we can hit 1K soon. My birthday is in March 7th. So let's get. I want by the end of March. I want to get to about 600-700 by the end of March. So definitely gonna try to be a lot more consistent. Bring out that content for y'all. Especially for the people who kind of started to rock with me and everything like that. I appreciate you guys so much. Me being a beginner trader and just learning last year and starting out last year, it's been a lot for me. And everything like that. So I kind of want to guide you guys on my journey as I continue to get better. And then, look back on these videos in the past. In the future, when I'm older, may have kids and stuff like that in the future. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in, everything like that. I want to do a little recap today. A little recap of the trade on my funded account with Top Step. So we'll do that. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. 700. We need 700 subs. Coming to 700 subs. Alright. So it's kind of just talk about it. Talk about what I seen, what I originally was looking for. As you can see, 5,500 pretty much on the day. So a really good day. We've been super. I'm more externally. I'm more bullish, but I couldn't really get away from the bearish signals that I kept seeing in the market. I kind of had these little gaps. I believe these are hourly gaps that I was expecting or wanted to see if price was gonna run into before to make lower. So I knew we were gonna go lower. I just didn't know from where. And kind of coming into today, what I was looking for today was I really wanted a clear sign. I know the 800s was a spot, as y'all can see on the chart here. The 800s, 21 800s was a spot where price just had a pretty tough problem breaking out of. Like, we would break out of it and then we drop again. We would break, we would drop. So I was looking for that as a signal into selling. So I wanted to wait until we got into the 800s to sell. And pretty much I was looking at that. I went on like the 1 minute time frame. I had both ES and NQ marked out. Let me go ahead and pull up ES for y'all real quick. I had both ES and NQ marked out on my chart. I could have got a little bit better of an entry on this one, but like I said, nonetheless, pretty good trade. Let's see where we were at. So this is what I was looking for. This is what I was looking for up here. I want to get all this out the way, y'all. Alright. So here at the top, as y'all can see, ES, beautiful 5 minute gap we had made here. As you can see, same thing, NQ, ES, they both kind of tailed behind each other today pretty well. We had a 5 minute gap. I seen price going to it. After I seen the closure, this 5 minute closure at open, I pretty much was confident that this might have been the highest point that we would reach. Simply just because the gap looked really good, and the target. So hitting this gap and then closing below this previous gap here just signaled everything. I had my liquidity spots being this low, and then the previous 4-hour lows as well on ES. Also throughout NQ at the same time when we're making these when we're trading into this gap, as you can see, NQ did the same thing. As soon as we went into the 800s, that was my confirmation that okay, we may sell. We dropped down to the 1 minute, of course. I went ahead and I looked. We created this 1 minute gap. Once we created that 1 minute gap, I went ahead and decided that okay, cool. This is the position that I like to see. As you can see, this was another gap right here, guys, that was previously respected. Like we had a hard time kind of breaking that. So once I seen we had the inversion fair value gap. Oh man, we had the inversion fair value gap here on the side, paired with the ES 5 minute gap. That was a pretty much an A+ setup for me. That's all I needed to see from the market. As soon as we closed below, that was my shot to go short. I took the shorts from the next candle opening, so I didn't take it off the inversion, and then I was only risking about 10 points, so I put my stop 1 point above the fair value gap. So I went in with about two cons. And on two contracts, I was only looking for. I was looking for like these. I was looking for the internal lows. I was looking for like the 4-hour lows. I wanted to see if NQ can take out the equal lows. So my first target was here. This is my first target here. My second target was here. Boom. So as you can see, boom. First target got hit, second target got hit, and then I had my 4-hour lows as another target as well. I had my 4-hour lows as another target, all the way down here at these equal lows here. So pretty much, guys, that's all I was looking for today. We ended up taking a trade as soon as we entered onto the trade. Pretty much good profit. Didn't go into drawdown not one time. So that's a really good not sniper entry, but good precision, good entry, good confirmation waiting. I normally don't like to get into the market at open. It's just not something that I like to do. And I think I got 166 points on this position too. So it was about up here. So as you guys can see, one trade done for today. So we took one trade, two cons. Field price was at 51. We took it all the way down. We continued to displace to the downside. 5 minute. I felt good about this little retracement here just because I understand that we're going to pick up more sellers. I immediately recognized this 5 minute fair value gap right here. Understood that this was the draw for sellers, more sellers who missed that entry that I got off the inversion. Perfect inversion gap. As soon as we get the inversion, 5 minute retrace. Boom. We hit it to the T perfectly. My stop was pretty much above there and then. And after that, we just dropped. We just continued to drop. And you could have probably had your stops above the previous 5 minute high. But I kind of just trailed it as I went. As we continued to drop, I got to my target up here, and it stopped me out right at 610. So stopped me out like right here. We went up here. I stopped myself out actually. I stopped myself out at the tick right here, guys. I stopped myself out at like I had my stop loss up here at like 614. It never got tapped. We created this next candle. It was super bullish, so I'm like, okay, I'm probably gonna get stopped out, so let me get my couple of points. Don't do that, y'all. Just let it stop y'all out. And in turn, I missed the second leg down. But it was a really good day on the charts. You can't be greedy. You gotta understand that you're gonna have days like that, and you know what I mean, you may not continue to catch the following move. I could have had double of what I made today, but it's just about the process and enjoying it and kind of just falling in tune with it. So I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm pretty happy on the day. I'm not mad at all. Get in, get out. So this is my last time looking at the charts for today. I locked my account out, as you can see. We took one trade today. One trade, one banger. risked only $400, so 10 points, and got 163 points out of it. That's precision. And yeah. So I appreciate you guys. Like I said, once again, I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna try to get a lot more consistent on here for you guys. You guys deserve it. Y'all have been showing me nothing but love. Y'all are texting me and everything. Would text me on Instagram and this and that, and like drop videos. How do I get in the Discord? I've been lackluster in the Discord as well. I haven't really been able to do anything content creation wise just because of practice. My little rehabbing and everything that I gotta do, injury prevention and stuff like that I gotta do, jumping. So I appreciate you guys, man. Like I say, subscribe, like the video, and please let me know what videos would you like to see. Maybe like how-tos, tutorials, just so I can be able to get my mind running, and I'll be sure to get those out for y'all. So like I said, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for showing love. And I'll see y'all in the next video.